Sure. College-level algebra covers a wide range of topics. Here's a detailed overview to get you started. 1. Numbers and operations. Real numbers. Understanding different sets of numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. Complex numbers. Numbers that have both a real part and an imaginary part, like 3 plus 4i. 2. Polynomials. Definition. Expressions that include variables raised to whole number exponents, like 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. Operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of polynomials. Factoring: breaking down polynomials into products of simpler polynomials, such as factoring x squared minus 5x plus 6 into x2, x3. 3. Equations and inequalities. Linear equations: equations of the form ax plus b equals 0. Quadratic equations: equations of the form ax caret 2 plus bx plus c equals 0, solved using factoring, completing the square, or the quadratic formula. Inequalities: expressions involving greater than sign, less than sign, backslash jek, or backslash lek, and how to solve them. 4. Functions. Definition: a relation where each input has a unique output. Types: linear, quadratic, polynomial, rational, exponential, and logarithmic functions. Operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. Graphing: plotting functions on a coordinate plane to visualize their behavior. 5. Exponents and logarithms. Exponents: rules for multiplying, dividing, and raising powers to powers. Logarithms: the inverse of exponents, with properties like backslash log ab equals backslash log a plus back. Sure. Let's dive into logarithms in detail. What is a logarithm? A logarithm is the inverse operation of exponentiation. It answers the question, to what power must a base be raised to produce a given number? For example, if 10 squared equals 100, then backslash log underscore and 100 equals 2. Basic definition. The logarithm of a number x with base b is written as backslash log underscore bx and is defined as backslash log underscore bx equals y backslash quad backslash text. If and only if a backslash quad b to the power of y equals x. Here, b is the base, x is the argument, and y is the logarithm. Common types of logarithms. Common logarithm, base 10 written as backslash log underscore 10x or simply backslash log x. Natural logarithm, base e, where e backslash approximate 2.718, written as backslash ln x. Binary logarithm, base 2, written as backslash log underscore 2x. Properties of logarithms. Logarithms have several important properties that make them useful for simplifying complex calculations. Product rule. Backslash log underscore bxy equals backslash. Absolutely. Let's explore the natural logarithm in more detail. Definition. The natural logarithm, denoted as backslash ln x, is the logarithm to the base e, where e is an irrational and transcendental number approximately equal to 2.71828. The natural logarithm of a number x is the power to which e must be raised to equal x. Backslash ln x equals y backslash quad backslash text. If and only if a backslash quad e to the power of y equals x. Properties of natural logarithms. Natural logarithms share many properties with logarithms of other bases, but they are particularly useful in calculus and mathematical modeling due to their unique relationship with the exponential function. Product rule. Backslash ln xy equals backslash ln x plus backslash ln y. This property states that the natural logarithm of a product is the sum of the natural logarithms. Quotient rule. backslash ln backslash left backslash frac x u y backslash right equals backslash ln x backslash ln y. This property states that the natural logarithm of a quotient is the difference of the natural logarithms. Power rule. Backslash ln x to the power of y equals y backslash ln x. This property states that the natural logarithm of a number raised to a power is the power times the natural logarithm of the number. Change of base formula. Backslash log underscore bx equals backslash frac backslash ln x a backslash ln b. This formula allows you to convert logarithms from one base to another using natural logarithms. Identity rule. Backslash ln e equals 1. Since e to the power of 1 equals e, the natural logarithm of e is 1. 0 rule. Backslash ln 1 equals 0. Since e to the power of 0 equals 1, the natural logarithm of 1 is 0. Graph of the natural logarithm. The graph of y equals backslash ln x has several key features. It passes through the point 1, 0 because backslash ln 1 equals 0. It has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0, meaning the function approaches negative infinity as x approaches 0 from the right. It is increasing and concave down for all x greater than 0. Applications of natural logarithms. Natural logarithms are widely used in various fields. Calculus. They simplify the differentiation and integration of exponential functions. For example, the derivative of backslash ln x is backslash frac 1x, and the integral of backslash frac 1x u is backslash ln x. Exponential growth and decay. Natural logarithms are used to model phenomena such as population growth, radioactive decay, and compound interest. Physics and engineering. They appear in equations describing phenomena like heat transfer, wave propagation, and electrical circuits. Statistics. Natural logarithms are used in various statistical models, including logistic regression and the analysis of variance. Example problems. Simplify backslash ln e to the power of 5. Backslash ln e to the power of 5 equals 5 backslash ln e equals 5 backslash dot 1 is equal to 5. Solve for x backslash ln x equals 3. E cubed equals x backslash quad backslash right arrow backslash quad x equals e cubed backslash approximate 20.0855. Use the change of base formula, find backslash log underscore 210. Backslash log underscore 210 equals backslash frac backslash ln 10 a backslash ln 2 backslash approximate backslash frac 2.30260.6931 backslash approximate 3.3219. Feel free to ask if you have any specific questions or need further explanations on any of these points.